Hey there, hustlers! Welcome to Affiliate Alchemy, where we turn internet dreams into cold, hard cash. I'm your host, the one and only Olivia Sterling, and today we're diving deep into the magical world of online hustle. But before we unravel the secrets, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our golden nuggets of wisdom. Now, you might be wondering, what the heck is Affiliate Alchemy? Well, my friends, it's not about turning lead into gold, but it's damn close. Affiliate Alchemy is the go-to channel for all things online hustle, a virtual treasure chest where we decode the language of the internet and turn it into a symphony of cash registers ringing. Our vision? Picture this: a world where everyone, and I mean everyone, has the power to turn their passion into profit. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just dipping your toes into the online ocean, we're here to guide you through the digital jungle and help you emerge as a money-making maestro. And our mission? It's simple but powerful. We aim to demystify the online hustle, break down those intimidating barriers, and hand you the keys to the kingdom of financial freedom. We're not just a channel, we're a movement, a revolution of the digital era. Now, let me tell you a bit about the mastermind behind Affiliate Alchemy, yours truly. I'm Olivia Sterling, your guide through the labyrinth of affiliate marketing, online businesses, and money-making mastery. With a background in turning ideas into empires, I've navigated the treacherous waters of the internet, and now I'm here to share my secrets with you. Think of me as your virtual BFF who's been through it all, from the highs of a successful launch to the lows of a catastrophic campaign. I'm not just your host. I'm your partner in profit, your digital confidant. And remember, we're not here to bore you with fancy jargon and mind-numbing lectures. We're here to entertain, enlighten, and sprinkle a bit of magic on your hustle journey. Now, if you've ever felt lost in the sea of online opportunities, wondering which path to take or which shiny object is worth chasing, you're in the right place. Affiliate Alchemy is your compass.